This is going to be a pretty quick one. This is just something I found I thought kind of interesting. I didn't see a lot of information on it online, so I thought someone might could use it. Today I'm working on a 1988 Buick Park Avenue, and we're going to be doing a little repair on the turn signal flasher. So here's the problem I'm diagnosing. Turn the key on here. Basically what we have is if you hit the hazards, they work. But if you turn the turn signals on, you get nothing. So in this case, the issue is going to be replacing one of the flashers, both of which are under this panel, which is just held up by some screws. The catch is, if you go looking for the flasher, the first one that you're going to find is this one over here. Now it's not going to be sitting here. It's going to be clipped up in here to a piece of bracketry, and then you can pull it off and pull it down. But this is actually the hazard flasher. So if it's working and your hazards are working, then there's no reason to mess with this. The difficult one, and this is why I decided to make a video, because this is kind of hard to find, is that the turn signal one is over here on the other side. This is it, but it is tucked way up in here, kind of near the parking brake. Once again, you can unclip it and pull it down. Once you have it down, it's pretty easy though. You just unplug it from the harness and then you just swap a new one in. So the replacement sometimes will be square like this one, or sometimes will look round like the factory one does. It doesn't really matter which one you use for the most part. There are some newer ones that are kind of updated, but either, as long as you have the two prong, should plug right in to where the other one came out. The one downside to not using a round one like this would be the fact that it may be hard for you to get it secured back into the dash without being able to put this clip onto it. But where there's a zip tie, there's a way. So whatever you have available in your area, it should work just fine. And before you go putting it all the way back in, I suggest you test it. I just plugged this one back into the harness, and now, as you can see, we have functional turn signals. Hopefully that was helpful to someone. If anyone had any issues with that, like this video. If it did help you at all, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you've hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching as usual, and peace.